Brenda is the Chief Operating Officer at Best Run Manufacturing. Her team just won a high-volume contract with strict deadlines and zero tolerance for delays. But supply volatility and production bottlenecks are real risks. To deliver on time, Brenda needs full visibility and seamless coordination across the business. That's where SAP Business Suite comes in, connecting every part of the operation, from planning to delivery. It starts with Emily, the demand planning lead. A spike in regional orders throws the initial forecast off track. But with SAP Integrated Business Planning, outliers are detected and corrected automatically before it affects production. With the updated forecast in place, Jason, the production manager, adjusts schedules and rebalances workloads across work centers using SAP Business Suite. That way, they can meet rising demand without overloading the line. Down on the floor, Nicole, the quality engineer, oversees quality. Her team uses AI-powered visual inspection in SAP Digital Manufacturing to automatically detect non-conforming units. This helps them catch issues early and ensure only top-quality products make it to packing. Back in her office, Brenda monitors fulfillment. One of the key customer orders hits a material delay, but thanks to AI-assisted backorder processing, she reprioritizes delivery and reroutes inventory in time to meet the commitment. Everything from demand shifts to quality checks to last-minute changes is handled in sync. For Brenda and her team, SAP Business Suite turns complexity into clarity, enabling them to move fast, stay flexible, and deliver exactly what the customer expects.